Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download various distribution or Linux distros. This is a image from Wikipedia and I will show you that Linux is a kernel and it can be used for various type of distributions. So distro means a distribution. A distribution is a kind of packaging of various software with Linux as the core kernel. Linux is used in various type of system. You can say here embedded computers, desktop computers, supercomputer, pool of free and open source and proprietary softwares. So this is a detailed list of Linux distribution that is available in Wikipedia. I've given the link in description as well. This is a very long list of distributions here and you can go and download any of it. So to get the details of all this distribution, you can go to a website called Distro Watch. Just try to search it in your favorite search engine and go to distrowatch.com, and here you just need to go to search for major distributions, or in fact you can search a distribution that you're looking for. For example, if you are looking for Ubuntu, you can just paste or you can just type the text here and select go and it will give you the detail of that distribution. You can also go to major distributions, which is a list of all the major distributions out in the market. And if you are looking for alternative downloads, I will recommend you to go for torrent downloads. If you have a slow speed, then you can download any specific package using torrent. So in this way, you can have detailed of all the distros, what are the various functionalities with them, and then you can download the required distro depending upon your requirement. I hope you liked this video, and in case you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.